Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It's Eric. How you doing? Welcome to my live stream. Now I'm at PWTC Expo in Guangzhou. Today is the second day of the ITCPE exhibition. See our equipment here. 哦，谢谢。谁呀？然后给你洗一下瞌睡。谁给的 ？Doesn't matter. After head press, I need to cool. Where's this cooling table? See, welcome to my live stream. Quite a lot of customers are interested in our equipment. Hello. Today is the second day of the ITCPE in China, Guangzhou. Now remove the wasted materials. 我们可以随着他那个，他叫深圳追啊，不是贵州追玉。知道啊，那一个不是做这个。Welcome to my live stream. We are in China, Guangzhou, Hollywood Trade Center Expo. Today is the second day of ITCPE exhibition. It's a professional exhibition about the textile and printing industry. Now what you see is a silicon head transferable producing process. See, now we are doing the last step to change the side of the label. Welcome to my live stream. Where are you from? Can you let me know in the comments? We are in Canton, China. Today is the second day of ITCPE. It's a professional exhibition related to the textile and printing industry. I will show you around in the exhibition. So please stick to my live stream and I will give you more details about this exhibition, about different Chinese suppliers related to the printing, textile industry. Where are you from? Hello? See? 所以我一直在犹豫这个东西，因为没有门槛的东西嘛。你像全自动的就没有门槛，天天你开，今天你买一台，明天我买两台，后天你买三台，再买这个意思对吧？像有人工参与进去的，虽然都是一样的机器，这个人我没有继续琢磨。This is the finished product. It's a silicon heat transferable. You can make different design, different effects, 3D effects. That's the biggest difference from the screen printing. Because with screen printing, you can only make the flat surface. But with this technology, with different mode, different 3D effects, you can get different 3D effects in your finished product. After change the side, we just cut them into pieces and heat transfer on the fabrics.
So here is one customer who is interested in our equipment. He's asking about what is the size of the mold. Usually for this technology, we make the mold with around 25 by 25 centimeter. As you can see, in one mold, you can produce like 8 pieces. But with a larger mold, you can make even more. See, this customer bring out screen printing, label and transferable. But he's also mentioned that screen printing, you can only make a very small thickness, and you cannot make the 3D effect. You can stick to my YouTube channel and get more information about this technology. He is asking how many colors you can make with the design. The answer is there is no limitation. There are also many foreigners who come to our booth, come to this exhibition to do to check our equipment. After the dispensing, you will use this silicone head transferable forming machine to do the heat press to vulcanizing the equipment. After that, you will use this cooling table. See, this is the S to cool the mold, and then get the finished product here. Change the side, then you can just heat transfer it. 再搞一波，再搞一波。Steam we ground with 2 needles to dispensing at the same time to save the time of production, so you can get a higher productivity. This design is without the base layer, so you need the Teflon coating, so you can get the labels out of the mold easier. Please stick to my live stream and I will hang around and show you more experience in this exhibition. Maybe this would help with your own business. You can also contact me to get more information. Here's now, engineer puts adhesive paper on the back side and puts it in this equipment. Okay, here you can see the vacuum time is around 10 seconds. After vacuum, we will do the vulcanizing process. It's around 30 seconds. It's very fast, even with a larger mold, so you can get more finished products every time. Welcome to the live stream. Where are you from? Today is second day of ITCPE at PWTC Expo. Our engineers are showing you the production process of the silicone heat transfer labels. Here are more finished products. So you can make your own designs with different mold and get different products. After curing, we just remove the wasted material. Welcome, welcome. Where are you from? Welcome, welcome. Where are you from? This is Eric. It's the second day of the ITCPE. After remove the wasted material, then change the side and then get the finished product. And then you can just heat transfer it on the fabrics. Okay. Do you guys want to hang around with me? At the exhibition. See now, this is the dispensing process. It's needles. It's made of silicone, liquid silicone. What kind of technology you want to know? Screen printing, PDF. You can find everything that related to the clothes label industry. Now, engineer puts the adhesive paper on the back side. With this big equipment to do the vulcanizing, this is the most important process. Silicone label forming. Our equipment already with the vacuum process. We are at hall 3. There are total 4 halls in this exhibition. Later I will come around and show you guys about the exhibition, different exhibitors. The exhibitors are all Chinese suppliers of different equipment materials about the DTF, textile, printing, accessories. Okay, let's go. See. Here, here are the screen printing table. Anyone of you interested in this screen printing? This one is a big equipment for making the heat transfer, DTF, for the fabrics. This one is also the screen printing equipment. See, this one is for the shoes. Here is another one for the materials. Welcome to my live stream. See, this is heat transfer labels. All these exhibitors are for the textile and the printing DTF industry. See, this is the most professional expression for the printing industry. They can also provide the accessories for your screen printing machine or the DTF machine. Recently, the economy is not so good. The competition in China is so heavy, serious. So we have to attend more exhibitions and provide a better service to our customers. Sorry, maybe I forget to use the microwave at the beginning of this live stream. Now I already use the microwave, so maybe you can hear me clearly. See, there's equipment for DTF. Hello, welcome to my live stream. Where are you from? I'm in China now. This is ITCPE expression, professional for screen printing, DTF, textile, clothing. See, foreigners are here trying to find whatever they want. Now we are at hall 3. There are 3 halls left. I will hang around later. So please stick to my live stream. Where are you from? This is a printing machine for the fabrics. It's very fast. Yes. Foreigners. Printing. Printing. Printing again. Leopard. All right. See. Let's go to 4-4. Welcome to my live stream. Where are you from? I'm in China now. Today is the second day of the ITCPE exhibition. It's a professional exhibition for the textile printing ETF. Now I'm going to the hall 4. Welcome to my live stream. You can stick to my live stream and I will hang around to show you guys more about the latest technology in the textile printing, ETF, screen printing, accelerate, and so on. Also, there are laser cutting equipment. See this one? It's laser cutting. For me, I'm specialized in the 3D silicon heat transferable, or you can call it mold silicon sticker. We can provide the whole supply chain for stuff that you need for making those 3D silicon heat transperables. The biggest advantage of the silicon heat transferable is that you can make a better 3D effect, and of course it saves the time. You only need to fill the silicon in the mold and do this by one time, so you can get a different, larger thickness. But for screen printing, I think even you need to make it 1 millimeter. You need to screen printing like 13 or 15 times. But for all technology, you just need to do one time to get a 1.5, even 2.0 millimeter thickness. There are so many suppliers. To be honest, the competition in China is crazy because in every industry there are so many suppliers, but it's hard to tell they are professional or not. So you may need someone like me to help you to source these materials, equipment, or technology for you. This is a laser cutting equipment. Also, let's go to the first floor to check the hall 1 and hall 2. I've seen many promotions in this company today. I see many bags with their brand leaf. Foreigners, foreigners. Foreigners, foreigners. Sorry, I didn't bring my entry ticket, so I have to bring it because if I get out, I may not be able to come in again. So I have to go back to our booth to get the entry ticket. Okay, forget it. I think the first floor is the same equipment for making the textile DTF screen printing equipment. So let's stick to the second floor. Now I come back to the floor 3. Also, This is a laser cutting machine, I think. If you guys need this equipment, you can contact me. Now I'm coming back to our booth to get my entry ticket, so I can go to the first floor. Now recording. Okay, let's go to the first floor to take a look. See how fast this could print. See? Speed is crazy.这纸巾不错。Let me know what kind of equipment you want. Maybe I can help you. There is a way to go downstairs to check the hall 1 and hall 2. See foreigners? Now let's go to the escalator. Elevator, whatever. See, there's the foreigners. Oh, the first floor is mainly for the embroidery. Embroidery, very interesting. See the details. How many heads are here working at the same time? Crazy. There is another one. Oh, it's beautiful. Stops. This is the embroidery machine. Wow, wow, wow. This is traditional Chinese design. Embroidery. See these shiny chips? It's like that I'm entering a factory instead of an exhibition. See, all this equipment are running. Impressive, magnificent. To be honest, this this embroidery is a new field for me. I'm quite impressive. This is a small ones. I think you guys are more interested in this. See, this is more like a factory instead of an exhibition. Embroidery. It's all automatically. See now they change the color. And cut it. See this, folks. Hello, welcome. I'm at the ITCPE exhibition, not a factory, okay? Take a look at this embroidery equipment for making the clothes, garments, embroidery, smaller ones. This is for making the shoes. This is for one. See this one? It's a god of wealth, god of money in China. See how they program here. After program, this machine can run automatically. This is hall 1. Let's go to the hall 2. We still have a fashion show here. You guys want to see the beauties? Chinese beauties, see foreigners. They're showing different clothes. Models. Let's go back to the hall 2. Hall 1 is for embroidery. Hall 2, let's see what this hall is for. It's also for embroidery. So I have a conference here about the industrial thing. Embroidery. See, this is also a horse. You know why there are many horses in the exhibition? Because in Chinese lunar calendar, 2026 is a year of horse. See foreigners? All right, let's check this big equipment, big giants. This is something, I think it's from Middle East or India. You guys know this? Hello, welcome to my live stream. It's Eric. I'm at ITCPE 2026. Today is the second day. Now what you see is a embroidery machine in hall 2. See foreigners. This is also DTF, I think. So many guys are here. Let's take a look. Magnificent. It's beautiful. Magnificent. Now the engineer is changing the node wire. I don't even know how to say it. How to say this in English. All right. Let's come back to second virtual booth and I will end the live stream for today. This is 4-3. 4-3 I made it for the DTF. Screen printing. 4-3 also. 4-1, 4-2 I made it for the embroidery. All right, it's nearly 5 p.m. So fewer and fewer customers come to this exhibition. That's it. See you next time. Bye bye.